When it comes to the best Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers, always choose the general brand set. In fact, reputable manufacturers make nice wheel spacers. A general brand usually becomes a general brand because it has developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated, and the factories only use processes that have been proven to be safe. With such Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers, you will be able to enjoy your off-road adventures with peace of mind. Going off-roading with Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers is safe, but make sure that they are strong enough to withstand service impact. In this case, forged wheel spacers are the priority. High-end off-road wheel spacers are made from forged 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloys. These Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers are continuously pressed under tons of pressure. This process eliminates any priority and shrinkage. The resulting wheel spacers have a high degree of uniformity in the grain structure, allowing them to withstand more forces without breaking. As a rule of thumb, both on Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers are safer and more reliable for off-roading. They are both to the vehicle hub, and the wheels are mounted on the spacers. Two sets of wheel nuts keep the hub spacer wheel connection strong and stable. Therefore, in addition to the wheel spacers themselves, the strength of the stud and the lug nut is extremely important to ensure stable wheel connection. BONOSS both on Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers come with ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs. These studs are considered to be the highest quality studs in the industry. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with SGS and TV certificate. In general, aluminum alloys have good corrosion resistance and are rust-proof. They are resistant to rust and corrosion, unlike their steel counterpart. To further enhance the corrosion resistance and appearance of the wheel spacers, BONOSS aluminum Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black hard-anodizing. A proper hard-anodizing ensures complete protection against corrosion. The oxide layer that follows the anodizing process provides excellent protection. The black color not only provides a premium performance, but also tends to be the light first. This means that anodized Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers are not easily corroded or oxidized, which makes them safe for long-term use.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.